The biggest predictor of the future health of your relationship, according to decades of research by Drs. John and Julie Gottman, was how both partners responded to each other's bids for connection. According to them, on page 88 of their new book, Fight Right, it's those small, ordinary, fleeting moments that made all the difference between couples that stayed together and were happy versus those who didn't. They said happy couples turned towards their partner's bids 86% of the time, versus couples who didn't make it only turned towards their partner 33%. So what even is a bid for connection? It's an attempt, a request, an invitation for connection with your partner. And unfortunately, it's disastrous when we intentionally or unintentionally ignore or miss them. A bid can be a smile, a hug, someone saying, "Oh, you got to hear what happened to me today." It can be someone trying to make a joke. It can be someone saying, "Isn't that the most beautiful sunset you've ever seen?" It can be someone sending you a funny reel or telling you about their dream to live in the country one day. The point is, these can be subtle moments where our partner is reaching for us, inviting us in. And when we consistently miss them, we are slowly making withdrawals from their emotional bank account with us instead of deposits. And Matthias and I got the privilege to interview the Gottmans last week, and we would love to show you that full interview live on YouTube, completely free, of course, where Matthias and I will be there in person this Friday evening to answer any questions that you have. So hit the link in my bio or comment the word link down below, and I'll send it your way.